I just want to look at Tesla. I know a lot of you guys love trading this stock. So just to quickly go over this chart on Tesla, we have a very clear trend line here. Trend line, trend line. Here's your pivot. We're getting close. That's going to be your support line in the near term on Tesla. But I just want to say this. The more you hit a trend line, the weaker the trend line becomes. So when I see a trend line that's kind of, been away and here, you're going to get a good bounce here, right? It's only hit 1, 2, 3 times, good bounce. Now this would be number 4, and there's not as much distance between this hit and that hit. This means it's very, very weak here. So in terms of trading, it doesn't mean you can't trade it, but you need to have a tighter stop, and you need to be aware that it's going to be a quicker bounce most likely. In other words, if you do decide to buy at this line, you're going to look for a small bounce, and then you get the heck out because, again, the odds are it's going to break down. The thought process here, just to do some education, here's a trend line. First hit, highest percentage of a bounce, okay? Meaning that, again, probability dictates when you hit a trend line, the best chance of bounce is your first hit. The second hit, the probabilities drop. Now, they don't drop dramatically, but they go, let's say this one's 70% chance, right? This one is going to be maybe 60% chance of a bounce. Then if it goes up again, comes back in, this one's 50-50, okay? Eventually, you start favoring that it's going to actually break down. I've gone over this before to you guys. It's the concept of basically saying if I ram into a door more and more times, that door is going to weaken. Eventually, it's going to break down. I don't care how strong you are. At some point, you're going to break that door down, whether you have to hit it 3 times or 10 times or 20 times. The thought process is the more you hit, the more the probability of it breaking down. Same thing works in charts, same mentality. Okay, so again, that'll be your level on Tesla. Just to give you a price point on that, the trend line right now sits at around $229, $230. That would be about $10 down in case we sell off. All right,